Welcome back to Joy Tutorials Educational Channel. ECCE Diploma in Elementary Education Teacher Training Course ECCE Early Childhood Care and Education. Early Childhood Care and Education Balyaramba Sisi Samrakshana Vidya first year. Total 6 units are there. Here what are the important questions examination point of view I am discussing. Here first unit definition, nature, significance of early childhood care and education. Second unit principles, methods, developmentally appropriate ECCE curriculum. Third unit planning and management of ECCE curriculum. Fourth unit curriculum for 3 to 6 years of age group children in ECCE. Fifth unit assessing children's progress. Here first unit definition, nature and significance of early childhood care education. Examination point of view important questions I am giving. You can copy from YouTube. First question, define ECCE. Early childhood care education. Early childhood care education. Here, it is a ECCE is a Latin word. Defined behold. Defined defined as behold. Early childhood defined as the period from birth to 8 years of old. Is a time of remarkable growth with brain development its peak. It is a remarkable growth. It is a time of remarkable growth and brain development its peak level. Early childhood care education is more than preparation for primary school. It begins at birth and in the home. Early childhood care education it begins at birth and in the home. Comprehensive early childhood care education, faster holistic development and learning young children from birth to 8 years of age. Care includes health, nutrition, hygiene in a secure and nurturing. Care includes health, nutrition, hygiene. Here, early childhood education is beneficial for children in the form of preschool, pre kindergarten, daycare, nursery school, early education, etc. It is beneficial for who are going to preschools, kindergarten, daycare centers, etc. Next, second question, what is the nature of preschool education? Important question. The national ECCE policy reaffirms the commitment of the government. National ECCE Early Childhood Care Education Policy reaffirms the commitment of Government of India to provide integrated services for holistic development of all children along the continuum from the parental 6 years of age. The policy lays down the way forward for a comprehensive approach towards ensuring a sound foundation with a focus on early learning for every Indian child. Here, the current 12th 5-year plan acknowledged in the importance of early childhood care education. Here, as the stage that lays foundation for lifelong development. Here, it lays foundation for the lifelong development. It is a stage that foundation for lifelong development. Article 21A through 86 Amendment of the Constitution, free and compulsory education to children up to the age group 6 to 14 years has become a fundamental right. Our Constitution given fundamental right 6 to 14 years have give to free and compulsory education. NP in 1986 has given a great deal of importance to ECCE curriculum framework. Here, ECCE curriculum framework, here are objectives of preschool education, principles of learning, curriculum content, pedagogy methods, essential play material, assessment, role of teachers, role of parents, etc. ECCE, Early Childhood Care Education equals to ICD, Integrated Child Development. National ECCE Policy, National ECCE Curriculum Framework. Here, quality standards for ECCE, national policy, national curriculum. Next one, quality standards for ECCE. ECCE is a necessary as readiness for formal education. The main elements care, health, and nutrition. Components of ECCE: early stimulation, early learning, health and nutrition, hygiene, care and protection. These are two important questions from ECCE first unit. Thanks for watching.